Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo 80x10 to the power of 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue with your Lenovo 80x10 to the power of 5, where the screen flops backwards on its own, is often caused by a faulty hinge or a loose connection within the display assembly. If this is not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, potentially affecting the screen's functionality or causing it to detach completely. To fix this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, a plastic opening tool, and replacement hinges compatible with the Lenovo 80x10 to the power of 5. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, starting from the edges. Once the back is off, locate the screen hinges. These are usually situated at the bottom of the display assembly. You may need to remove screws securing the hinges in place, which are typically Phillips screws. Gently lift the screen to reveal the hinges. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have access to the hinges, carefully detach them from the screen by unscrewing them. Take your replacement hinges and align them properly before securing them with the screws. Ensure you apply just the right amount of force to avoid stripping the screws. While reassembling, be cautious of any cables that may be nearby. Use the spudger to gently guide them aside if needed. Once the hinges are secured, reconnect any cables that were disconnected and carefully place the back cover back onto the device, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Power on your Lenovo 80x10 to the power of 5 to verify that the screen operates correctly and that it no longer flops backwards. To prevent this issue from recurring, be mindful of the angle at which you open your laptop and avoid applying excessive pressure on the screen when in use. Regular maintenance checks can also help identify potential issues before they become serious. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.